So what's up everybody? My name is Armstrong Gosas, and today I'm just gonna share a brief news with you. And what's the news? Corona, no, not Corona. Coursera has elongated their learning time from July 31st to September 30th for this Corona season. That's how I was saying Corona initially. For this Corona season, so I'm just gonna show you. So stay tuned. I'm gonna meet you in a jiffy. Okay, so basically I'm just going to type Google. I don't want it to be a very much long tutorial. I already displayed about how to navigate the website to get the free courses on Coursera. I think it's one very decent website. So I'm just going to pretty much go on blog.coursera.org. I've searched it before, so you can just pretty much search it, blog.coursera.org. So I want to go to their homepage. Like I said, I don't know if it's Coursera's original blog, but I think they do a pretty much decent job in giving us what Coursera is doing. And I was searching top 10 MOOCs, and Coursera has a lot of good MOOCs. And if you don't want MOOCs, it's massive online. I don't know the remaining. You can Google the remaining, but I think they do a pretty much decent job, and I like the certificate. For one thing, I think I actually like the certificate. It's not ugly. It's a pretty decent certificate. So here they're telling you about that if you sign up by July 31st, you will get these courses. So I'm just pretty much going to click on this. In case you are confused about how to get these courses, I'll show you my certificate. I've done it, so I can really say that these courses can be free and you have to use certificate. So they said you should sign up by July 31st. So if you sign up by July 31st, you're supposed to get it. But in case you cannot sign up and finish these courses, I actually run through some courses. I try to do 2 weeks in one week, and I try to rush it, but then you can settle down and do it at your own leisure time. So this was how it has always been. But I saw a very nice news. They say if you enroll by July 31st 2020 in any of the courses, guided projects or what have you, that they said you can learn free through September 30th, sorry. So you can as well just click on it, and I can check the free access to Coursera's 3,800 courses. Now there are some courses that you can learn free and not get certificate. There are some courses that you can learn free and get your certificate. Like the ones I did, I actually learned free and got my certificate still. Okay, so this is, you can see 3,800 courses. So actually the courses that I got them through Class Central. So I'm just going to click classcentral.com. Now this is actually another decent website that does a lot about not just Coursera but relatively other MOOCs to get free online courses. And this is not a detailed tutorial about how to go about it. I just want to show you how the easiest way to navigate it, because I went through Coursera website and the courses that I got for free through this link, I don't know how it works, but the course I got for free, I noticed that on Coursera website it was not as easy, and they didn't give me a certificate. Now even the website was talking about Coursera, and they say this offer is valid until July 2020. So even the website is acknowledging that it's still July, but now we saw that it's till September 30th. So I'm just pretty much going to click on Mindshift through obstacles. I did this course and it was very nice. I can tell it was very nice. You can imagine it was all-time top 100. Can imagine from McMaster University. That was Professor Barbara or something. So I'm just pretty much going to go to class. Now I want to show you something before that pretty loads. Besides, if you've not liked this video, please make sure you leave a like and don't forget to subscribe, because liking the video is going to make it go to the right audience, people that want to take these online courses like you want to. So I think you should just leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. It's going to encourage the channel a whole lot, and it's going to encourage me to do a lot more. Now it's saying this certificate is paid certificate is available. Now it's telling you that this Coursera course is offering free certificates. Ta-da! That's awesome. So I'm just going to click on the former website, and it has loaded. In my previous video that you can check it out. When you click on the website, when you click on this and it takes you to this website, this is one very big way to know your discount will be applied. That if you apply for these courses, your discount will be applied, and you can just pretty much apply for these courses with no pay. And anyway, you see Coursera together, enroll to get certificate for free, it means you can enroll for that particular course and get it for free, certificate for free still, because there are courses that you learn and you actually learn them without getting them for free. So I'm just pretty much going to go to course and just show you my certificate so that you know that these things are actually very feasible and you should try as much as possible to take it. Now it says congratulations, you have completed mind shift through learning. Okay, so it says I've completed this course and this is awesome. You might want to see it. Now this yellow thing here shows it was done and this is with honor. So you can see that I have my certificate here and I had a breaking a grade of 94.6% and it was awesome. You can swear that download your certificate or share this link. So pretty much here you still notice these are the different things you do: the introduction, value of poor memory, and some other things like that. There's a discussion prompts, there's quiz, and some other things that I think are really awesome. So you can just see the grades, your different grades. Now I got 100, 89, 87%, there's 98, and this is how I came up with honors. Honors actually has some other special incentives. So you might want to check out these courses and you might want to really have one of these things in your CV. I think it will come in pretty handy. So if you like this video, please don't forget to leave a like and don't forget to follow Amstrongosas on Instagram, on Twitter, and what have you. I will meet you in the next video about online MOOCs and life hacks. This Amstrongosas signing out. Please stay safe.